Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from A.R.M.S Inc. Feel free to check them out. They have a interesting selection of items. A.R.M.S Inc. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And we just got a small box today. Let's see how we can get this open. So A.R.M.S is known for a line of sights, mounts, and other rail type items. So we got some bubble wrap, a couple of parts. Their full name is actually Atlantic Research Marketing Systems Inc. And we just got two items. They're 40L F. So these are rail mounted folding front sights. We just got two of them. And no instructions, but you can see here within their own packaging. So rail mounted. You can see there the profile. It does have a retained bolt and or nut assembly right there. This piece does slide out there. And you can see their Swan logo. 40LF arms on this version, and retaining, and the spring there. The extra front sight post. The guards there, and then the way it goes back, press down, and the little retention arm holds it in place. This would go across a rail section, and this can then be tightened down either with a blade or hex key. There we go. And quickly deploys like so. You can see there the coil spring, and easily stows away. So the 40LF, also marked there, from A.R.M.S Inc. Folding front sight. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.